use don't or doesn't when making verbs negative in the present tense. Do you know how to use these two verbs? These are helping verbs and they're negative. Don't is a contraction for do not, and doesn't is a contraction for does not. Don't, do not, doesn't, does not. For the verb have in the negative present tense, here's the singular and then here's the plural. I don't have, and then here you'd put an object of some kind because of the verb have. You need an object. You don't have. He, she, it doesn't have. In the present tense, use doesn't for a man, a woman, or a thing. In the plural, we don't have, and then the object. You don't have, and they don't have, and then the object. I have a hat. I don't have a hat. I have a hat. I don't have a hat. Here's the negative, and then here's the main verb. After the subject, here's the main verb, and then here is an object. In this sentence, where it's negative, this is the subject, this is the helping verb, and it's negative. This is the main verb, and this is the object. I have a hat. I don't have a hat. He has a hat. Here's the main verb in the present tense. He doesn't have a hat. Here's the helping verb, and here is the main verb. This is in the simple form. Together, these are in the present tense, but this verb after doesn't is in the simple form. There is a difference between this verb and this verb. They're both in the present tense. This is affirmative and this one is negative, but in this case, it's in the simple form. All verbs have a simple form, the past tense, the past participle, and the present participle. When making a present tense verb negative, you're using the simple form of the verb. Use the helping verbs do or does, and add not, and then have. I do not have it. If you put these two together, they form don't. I don't have it. I don't have it. If the subject is he, use does as the helping verb, then not, and then the main verb and something after it. He does not have it. If we put these two together, they form doesn't. He doesn't have it. In a non-standard form of English, he don't have a hat. This is non-standard. When listening to spoken English, you might hear someone use don't with the main verb for the present tense after a singular subject. This is considered to be incorrect or non-standard. It's common in some areas where people speak English. This is standard English using doesn't and have. This is non-standard English using don't and have when the subject is he. If we change the subject to anything else, singular or plural, then it's okay. I don't have, you don't have, they don't have. Of course, these are correct. These are common mistakes that people often make in English. They not work or they no work. To fix this mistake, there has to be some form of the verb do after the subject. In this case, it's do. They do not work. Here's another common mistake in English when someone is talking about speaking English. I no speak English. This sounds terrible. To fix it, you have to use a helping verb after I. I, here's the helping verb that matches the subject, don't, and then the main verb. I don't speak English. I don't speak English. Here's the mistake. I no speak English. And here's the correction. I don't speak English. Here's the mistake. We not go there. And here's the correction. We don't go there. You could fix the mistake by using never instead of not. We never go there. There's a slight difference in meaning between we never go there and we don't go there, but in some situations they're about the same. If you want a person to stop doing something, all you have to say is don't. This is a shortened version of don't do that. But all you really have to say is don't. I hope this video helped you. If it did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.